everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 972 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this Persona lip gloss that I got in the shade Honey in my September 2020 Boxycharm Luxe box. And I'm excited because I have not heard of the brand Persona, so this is my first Persona product that I'm trying out, and I love trying out new makeup brands. This is vegan, gluten-free, cruelty-free, infused with avocado oil and shea butter, which I love for my dry lips. And this has a retail value of $16. So here's what the packaging looks like. Let's check out the applicator. Oh, yep, a flexible, rounded tip applicator. It's like a little paddle. Let's see how it swatches. Ooh, I like that it swatches true to color, like it actually has good pigment to it. Ooh, do I get a nice classic lip gloss scent? Kind of smells a little bit sweet, a little bit like vanilla. It smells really good. And it has a lot of sheen to it. I don't see any glitter, I don't think. But ooh, I am so excited to see how this looks on my lips. Ooh, oh my gosh, this is such a juicy lip gloss. It has such a sleek texture, which I really like, and so much shine. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty and so enhancing and flattering to the lips. I love this color. I feel like it's kind of a your natural nude shade, but enhanced, because there's a little bit of sheerness to it, so it just kind of emphasizes and enhances your natural lip color. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love how my lips look right now. I can't get over how shiny this is. It's so flattering. And the shade is perfect. And my lips look smoothed out. They look and feel so hydrated. Oh my gosh, I love this lip gloss. It just looks exactly how I want my lips to look. It's the perfect shade to wear absolutely any time, and I can't get over how enhancing and flattering this super high shine is. Wow, I love this. Okay, when I look at it really up close, I can see little reflection of some gold shimmer. So it's basically, you can't even see any glitter shimmer to it, but there is some in it. It's like invisible, but there's some in it which adds to this amazing sheen, which is just one of the most flattering and beautiful lip glosses I have ever tried. I am so excited, and you know what this means. I want to try out more from this brand, Persona. So if you have tried any other products from this brand, if you have any recommendations, let me know in the comments down below, because I need to try more. Oh, I'm so excited. Also, let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on this gloss if you have tried it out. Wow, I would highly recommend. Clearly, I love this. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.